Are you tired of broken Jira links and comments that break when tasks move? Here is how to link tasks directly using comments. No more manual copy-paste. So, here is the plan. We will start by opening your Jira account and project. Then click a task, find the activity section, and use the comments link feature to connect tasks. All right, let us begin. Start by opening your Jira account. Just head over to your company's Jira URL and log in like you normally would. This is the part where you are probably already sitting in your dashboard, looking at your projects, so this should feel familiar. Now, navigate to your project from the left panel. You will see a list of projects on the left side of your screen. Just click on the one you are currently working on. In my experience, most people have their project pinned to the top for easy access, so it should be right there. Next, click on any task to open it. Just pick a task that you want to link to something else. It does not have to be the final destination. Just pick any ticket that you want to leave a comment on. Click the task name, and it will open up in a detailed view. On the right panel, find the activity section. This is the part that a lot of people miss. When the task opens up, look over to the right side of your screen. You will see a section labeled Activity. It might be collapsed by default, so just click on it to expand it. I have tested this on both the new and old Jira interface, and it works the same way. Within Activity, locate the Comments area. Once Activity is open, you will see two tabs at the top. One says Comments, and the other says History. Click on Comments. This is where all the back and forth on this task lives. Click Add a Comment to open the comment box. At the bottom of the comments section, there is a small field that says Add a Comment with a little pencil icon. Click on that, and the comment box will expand so you can start typing. Now, click the small plus icon in the comment toolbar. Once the comment box is open, look at the toolbar just above where you type. You will see a few icons like bold, italic, and a little plus sign. Click that plus icon. That is where all the magic happens. From the drop-down, select Link. After clicking the plus icon, a drop-down menu appears with options like a link, an emoji, or a code block. Click on Link. It might look like a small chain link icon in the drop-down, and this is what will let you connect to another task without copying a URL. Search or browse to choose the task you want to link. A new window will pop up called Link Issue. Here you can either type the issue key if you know it, like project-65, or you can just search by typing a few keywords from the task name. Jira will suggest matching tasks as you type. Pick the one you want. And here is the really important part. If the task ever gets renamed or moved, this link will still work because Jira tracks the issue by its internal ID, not just the name. Finally, click Save to create the link. Once you have selected the task, just click the blue Save button. Now, go back to your comment box, and you will see that a clean, clickable link has been inserted automatically. You can add some text around it, or just hit Save on your comment, and you are done. And that is it. No more broken links when tasks get renamed. No more copying and pasting URLs that look like a string of random characters. Just clean, persistent links that keep your workflow smooth. Give it a try on your next comment, and it will save you a ton of time. Thanks for watching.